What's going on, guys? This is Simon from SG, and today we're going to go over how to fix your WooCommerce subscription site, maybe showing staging mode, and you want it to not show staging mode. So maybe you clicked the notice and you're trying to figure out, how do I get that notice to come back so I can get off staging mode for WooCommerce subscriptions and have this calculate live payments. So really, to get this back, that little message that says quit nagging me but don't enable automatic payments, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just go like this. You need to just add this, and I'll put this in the description box below, but you just add this to the end of the URL, and after I do that, it's going to show back up. So right now this shows subscriptions right in the staging mode, and I am just going to go dual tab for a second so I can just show you. So we got this notice to come back up, and this would be if I go down to the subscriptions URL, it's going to show that it's in staging mode right now. Okay, and now I'm going to say, so this, I don't want to do this. I want to actually enable automatic payments. So I'm just going to click enable automatic payments. So this is going to be set to a live site, and now that this is set, I can see that it's in live mode. So I'm going to refresh this WooCommerce status page, which you can see the URL. This is another staging site I had that was copied here, but I don't want this current site right here, which is also right here. I don't want it to be in staging mode anymore. So after making that change and I update it, I can see that subscription mode is live and the live site URL is the same URL I have here. Well, that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, click that like button, maybe leave a comment if you have any other questions, and make sure to click that subscribe button below. Really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. And if you overall have any other WooCommerce subscriptions questions, I have a lot of videos on them, but I know I need to make more because there's so many things you can take WooCommerce subscriptions, whether it's selling software and license key for your plugins, selling physical products, subscription boxes, etc. I will put my other WooCommerce subscriptions videos somewhere up there. And with that, have a great rest of your day, and yeah, see you next time.